Hey, what's going on? Big Rob from Make Beer Easy here. Let me ask you a quick question. Are you struggling to make good tasting beer? If you are, I can relate. I'll tell you a very quick story because I want to keep this real quick. Back when I first started making beer, my story would be, wouldn't it be great to make some beer? I love beer. Wouldn't it be great to make some frickin' beer at home? Save money. I live up here in Canada. Beer can get expensive. I said, you know what? Perfect. Like to make stuff. Want to save money? Let's make some beer. So I get the old can of goo, aka the can of goo is what I call it. You know, the Coopers, the Mr. Beer, the Canada Brew, the Muntons, what have you. You know, and it comes with the yeast on top, and I would read the instructions, and I'd dump it in the fermenter, and then add the yeast to it, and maybe some sugar if I really wanted to get crazy. And then I'd put it away for, you know, whatever, 5 days, or 7 days, or 14 days, depending on what the kid said. And it would smell good, and in the fermenter, the bubbling would happen, and I thought, oh yeah, this is great, I'm making some beer now. And then I go to taste it, and really, let's be honest, it tastes like shit. Can you relate to that? So I would stop. I'd throw it out, whatever. I know alcohol abuse is terrible, but it just tastes like crap. So I said, forget it, I'm not going to do it, and then I'd stop making it. And then I'd try somebody's homebrew or a craft brewer and say, yeah, they can do it, I can do it. And I'd go buy another can of goo and same process again, dump it in, get the yeast in there, throw the water in, and maybe add some sugar. And then it would start bubbling and it would smell good. And I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm on to something here. I'm now making some nice beer. And then I'd go to taste it. When it was ready to go, tastes like crap. So I'd throw it out and then it'd stop again. Finally, it was about 2 years ago, I went on a mission. I said, this is stupid. There's microbreweries popping up everywhere. Craft brewers are making beer. I've tasted homebrew. I know they can taste good. So I went on a mission to be able to make a beer kit. I'm not talking the grains, the all grains brewing. I'm talking make a beer kit, something you can do up in 20, 30 minutes. Get it done, maybe 40 minutes, what have you. Get it done and be done with it, and when it's done fermenting and carbonating, it turns into good beer. So I went on a mission about 2 years ago to be able to make a beer kit, can of goo, taste good. And not to brag, but I have mastered that, and I now make very good kit beer that is delicious from a can of goo. And if you are a new brewer, or if you've been around and you're just not getting the right taste out of the beer, and you don't want to move to all grain yet because it's more time intensive, takes more money, and stuff like that, makes great beer, and I have moved to that as well, but I still do kit beer because it's quicker, faster, and since I can make good tasting beer from it, why not do that as well? So I do that, and if you want to learn how to make really good tasting beer in the shortest amount of time possible, from a can of goo, with a few little adjuncts, I call it, a few little things we add to it to spice it up and make it taste great. Well, put your name and your email address in down below, and I'm going to give you free access to a couple of my videos where I teach you step by step on how to do exactly that, how to make yourself some really good tasting beer from a can of goo. That's what I got for you guys. So put your name in down below and your email address. Big Rob will see you on the other side. Big Rob is